In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the forecast tool on Tradingview. Whether you're tracking stocks, cryptocurrency, or forex pairs, the forecast tool is a fantastic way to visualize potential price movements and assess risk-reward scenarios. It's especially valuable for traders looking to add another layer of analysis to their decision-making process. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand exactly how to set it up, customize it, and use it in combination with other technical indicators. If you don't already have a Tradingview account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and follow along. Now, let's get started. First, open the Tradingview website or app and log into your account. If you're new to Tradingview, it's a powerful platform for charting and technical analysis. So make sure you're signed in to access all its tools and features. Once you're logged in, look toward the top of the screen where you'll find the search bar. Here, type in the name or ticker symbol of the asset you want to chart. For example, you can search for a stock, a cryptocurrency, or a forex pair. When the results appear, click on the asset you're interested in. This will immediately load its chart, giving you a detailed visual of its price action. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see the toolbar where all the technical drawing tools are displayed. This is where you'll find the forecast tool. Scroll down through the toolbar and look for it. It's typically located below the long position tool. The forecast tool's icon resembles an arrow pointing up and down with shaded areas. Now, if you don't see it right away, don't worry. Sometimes, Tradingview updates its interface, and the tool may be grouped with other icons. In that case, hover over the drawing tools to find it. Once you've located the forecast tool, click on it to activate it. Now it's time to apply the tool to your chart. Select the starting point for your prediction by clicking or tapping on the chart at the price level from which you want to begin forecasting. This could be a recent high, a low, or any point where you expect significant price movement. Next, drag the tool to sketch out your expected price movement. You can extend it upward to predict an upswing, or drag it downward to anticipate a dip. As you do this, you'll notice shaded areas appearing on the chart. The green shaded area represents potential profit, while the red shaded area shows potential loss. This visual makes it easy to see the potential outcomes of your forecast at a glance. Now, take a moment to review the automatically generated statistics that appear alongside the forecast tool. These include essential details like the percentage change, pip or tick value, and the risk-reward ratio. These stats are incredibly useful for comparing trade opportunities and determining position sizing, so be sure to take note of them. At this stage, you can fine-tune your forecast for greater accuracy and clarity. Click on the tool settings to open the customization options. Here, you can adjust the date and time range to extend your forecast farther into the future or narrow it down to a tighter time frame. You can also modify the price levels for both the upside and downside, ensuring your forecast aligns with your analysis. Additionally, you'll find options to customize the colors and line styles. This is particularly helpful if your chart is crowded with multiple indicators and you want your forecast to stand out clearly. And here's an important tip. Don't rely on the forecast tool alone to predict the market. It's a visualization tool, not a crystal ball. For a more comprehensive analysis, combine it with other technical indicators. For instance, you could overlay moving averages to identify trends or use the Relative Strength Index or RSI to spot overbought or oversold conditions. By layering these tools together, you'll build a fuller, more informed picture of the market and make better trading decisions. That's it. You now know how to use the forecast tool on Tradingview to analyze price movements, evaluate risks, and plan your trades with confidence. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.